Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for Pamlico Sound, Pamlico and Congo Rivers until 5 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over the vicinity of Pamlico Beach, Oregon, 7 nautical miles northwest of the mouth of the Pamlico River, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the vicinity of Slades Creek, the vicinity of Bell Haven, the mouth of the Pamlico River, Hoboken, Crabtree Bay, midpoint of South Creek, and the vicinity of Pamlico Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.